morning and welcome back to DIY. Today we're gonna have a go, put our hand in the ring at a rendering. So I've got this wall to render. Let's see what we can do. To start off, we're gonna mix our render mix, which is 6 parts sand, 1 part general purpose cement and 1 part hydrated lime. Just going to mix it up in a bucket, and I'm just going to use my shovel as sort of a gauge on how much is what. So that'll be 1 sand. We'll get this mixed up. So we're going for 6 sand. Might need a bigger bucket, hey? And this is sand that I actually used in building the front path to mix with 1 concrete and 2. Mixed up with the mixed it up and packed it in when laying the pavers. 1 cement. One line. Let's see how this goes. This is going to be interesting. And apparently the consistency we're looking for is toothpaste. Come down here to the mixing station. So the one thing that I did upgrade on is the mixing tool, because turn this down, because I've now got this, which my hammer drill doesn't just do drill, but that's okay. So yeah, got a new mixing paddle. So don't mind the audio. Settle in. Smack it on, make it dry, sponge it off. I have no idea. But let's see what happens when I start trying to lay this on in any sort of large manner, large amounts that are large. Gonna see if we can just trowel it on. Yeah, maybe. Actually, I might just wet the wall just with a spray, just to help it adhere, I think. Oop. Let's see if this makes any difference. I need one of them things, what are they called, the big square bastards. And bear in mind, I have no idea what I'm doing, so this is fun. Okay, I think I'm starting to make sense. Okay. continue. Let's do this. Yeah, it's one of the things. You don't know if you never try. I've never tried, so I don't know. So let's just crack on and lay it on and see what happens. Whether it's going to stick or not, it's going to be the next question, I suppose. There is lots of things you can get that are like a bag mix, pre-mix. Premix render, which I was thinking about using, but I looked at the price of it. Man, especially for someone who doesn't know what they're doing, premix render is going to be way too dear for a guy like me who's just out here having a go. So instead, let's just mix it pretty raw and see what it does. Carry on. Okay, this is a bit more suitable, this one. With the wall. Maybe someone's gonna jump on here and be like, never with the wall, mate. Oh, yep, sweet. Copy. Well, it's okay, but so we're booked in for 33 degrees today, low 30s. So we'll see what that brings. Dry most things out, that's for sure. Good day to get your washing on the line. Thank you, mother, for the rabbits. Alrighty, bit of a touch up with a wet sponge. I've still got a bit of cleaning up to do, but I'm going to let it set first before I start scrubbing the concrete. Yeah, that's a bit of all right. I was going to time lapse it and wait for the whole thing to dry off, but okay, let's leave it and come back in a few hours and we'll check how it's going. Now this has had a day to dry and you can see the colour's completely changed, but hey, it looks all right. It's pretty gritty, but that seems like it's stuck. That's one way to always test something, isn't it? The old, give it the 1-2, didn't come off. So, after all that, we'll see how this sticks. We'll see how it sets. Still drying off in a few patches, but hey, all in all, very happy with it. Yeah, it's a different colour, who cares? Move on, we can paint it. That's what paint's for. So, quick recap. 6 parts sand, 1 part lime, 1 part general purpose cement. Used a trowel and I don't know what it's called. A trowel, just troweled it on. Let it set for a bit, hit it with a wet sponge. And here we are. Let's see how it, if it holds the test of time. So thank you for watching, and thank you mother for the rabbits, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.